Hey there, new mama. If you've been finding more hair in your brush than on your head, you're not alone. Postpartum hair loss can feel like a bit too much of a surprise, especially when you're already juggling the adventures of new motherhood. But before you consider drastic measures, let's dig into the holistic reasons behind the shedding and discover how to reclaim your glorious mane naturally. Forget hormone hype. The real culprit lies much deeper. You may think those pregnancy hormones are the main culprits in the shedding saga, but here's the real scoop. Nutrient depletion takes center stage. Imagine your postpartum body, after you've had a baby, as a superhero who just saved the day. Hello, little baby. But in the process, crucial nutrients for healthy hair growth were depleted, leaving your hair follicles in need of some superhero nourishment. Enter the functional fix, rebalance and replenish. But wait. Before you dive into a supplement rainbow, let's take a holistic approach. Functional medicine goes beyond surface symptoms, uncovering the root causes. Here's your toolkit for unlocking healthy hair growth. Number 1, gut balance is key. Your gut is the hub for nutrient absorption. Probiotics, bone broth, and fermented foods are your gut-loving allies. Number 2, stress less, grow more. Chronic stress messes with your hormones, affecting your hair growth. Combat stress with activities like yoga, meditation, a good book, or take a walk. Number 3, fuel your follicles. Load up on vitamin A-rich sweet potatoes, iron-packed spinach, and omega-3 loaded salmon. Number 4, sleep your scalp happy. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Difficult with a baby, but try. Your hair follicles will thank you. Number 5, supplements with synergy. So targeted supplements like iron, B vitamins, and silica can be your missing puzzle pieces. Always choose quality supplements and consult a healthcare professional. Now, from shedding to thriving, celebrate your healing journey. Mama, postpartum hair loss is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the shedding, prioritize holistic well-being, and trust your body's self-healing power. With mindful nutrition, stress reduction, and targeted support, your hair will be back to its happy, healthy self in no time. Remember, you are a goddess who birthed a miracle. Own your power inside and out. Ready to unlock your inner hair heroine? Share your postpartum hair journey and natural healing tips in the comments below. We're in this together, mama. So like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time.